Here is a specially designed machine to pack the small sample, perfume sample, with a core inside, like this. It's comes with functions with automatic feeder, automatic insert the core, and press, and after finished blowing with air to blow it out from the machine. Here is a feeder operator. Is a vibrator feeder to feed these containers one by one, and then the second feeder to load, feed, and load by blow this car into this star wheel, the holder on star wheel, and then here is a press station to press the car. This station to close the cap, press again, and then from here blowing it out from the machine, collecting from this side. So what we need to do just load the container to this vibrator and load the current to that vibrator, then the machine can run automatically. The speed and other functions can switch and setting on the touch screen. Also, you can tell from here, some parts come with handles. It is adjustable to make it work for different size.